Firstly, I request
You hold this.
Tenzin,
Yeah.
Celon, Tenzin to please help the students explain the entire mandala. Thank you.
Good morning. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಾಗೆ ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಡೀಪ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಾಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಮಂಡಾಲ ಅವಲೋಕೇಶ್ವರ ಮಂಡಾಲ, ಅವಲೋಕೇಶ್ವರ ಬುದ್ಧ. That is the image. Okay, that is the image of our Lokeshwara Buddha. Okay, so yesterday I already described you the Dalai Lama is a human form of our Lokeshwara Buddha. So our Lokeshwara Buddha, from the Buddhist point of view, we call him is a compassion Buddha, Lord of compassion. Okay, so our Lokeshwara Buddha, he is holding the lotus in his hand. If you look at there, he is holding a lotus. Okay, so in order to represent our Lokeshwara Buddha, so we are creating a lotus at the center. Okay, I will start from the center. Okay, then if you look at the four directions, okay, if you look at this like all this circle, this is the Vajra, this is Vajra. Okay, the center of the Vajra, there are four Vajra here. Okay, four Vajra here. Now this is the east side. Okay, this is the south side, this is the north side, this is the west side. Okay, so these four symbols actually representing the four types of Buddha. So this Buddha actually he is holding the Vajra in his hand. So that's why we are putting a Vajra here. Okay, we call it that Buddha is a Vairokhana, Buddha Vairokhana. This Buddha actually he is holding a jewels, okay, Ratna, you call it like Ratna, isn't that? So this is the Ratna, okay, Ratna Sambhava, we call it, name of that Buddha is Ratna Sambhava. And this Buddha, Amitabha Buddha, Amitabha Buddha, he is holding the chakra in his hand. So that's why we are putting this. And this Buddha, okay, he is holding the sword. Okay, so we call him, sorry, I forgot his name. I will check it out if you don't mind. I forgot that, usually Amoga Siddha. The name of the Buddha is Amoga Siddha. These are the Sanskrit term. Okay, but some like a Sanskrit term is very what do you call that? It's like a regularly usage in Kannada language. If I give you an example like a Rakta, Rakta means blood. Same in Sanskrit. Okay, in Kannada we are saying Santosha, alva. Santosha, happy, are you happy? I'm happy, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that Santosha, happy, these are same in Sanskrit language. Okay, so there are many similar between the Sanskrit language and Kannada language, mostly like South Indian languages. Okay, so now these are the four Vajras here. Okay, out of this there are four doors. Some people Usually we called the Tibetan people, we have a connection with this Buddha, Amitabha Buddha. Okay, land of the snow is very connected with the Amitabha Buddha. So some people, they have a connection with this Buddha. Some people, they have a connection with that Buddha. Some people, they have a connection with this Buddha. Like they have their own karmic connection. Gotagda? Okay. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ದ ಬರಬೇಕು ಆದರೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Different people can come from the different direction. But eventually we have to reach to the Avalokiteshvara Buddha. Okay, you got it. Now here this 4 Vajra, horn of the Vajra, horn, these are the horn, yeah? Horn of the Vajra, actually it represents the 4 noble truths. It represents the 4 noble truths. Have you ever heard about the 4 noble truths? 4 noble truths is the Buddha's first teaching. Buddha first, he taught to his disciple the truth of suffering, dukkha. Okay, then he said the origin of, the cause of suffering. Okay, then he said, you know, if I am like overcome, eliminate the cause of suffering, then we will reach to the liberation, the cause of cessation, we call it, like truth of cessation, sorry. Then the truth of the path. Mark, isn't that mark? Oh, so like that. So these are the representing the 4 noble truths. Okay, now here there are some symbols here. These are the 7 emblems. 7 emblems. Like here you can see the horse. So all these Chakravati Samrat, all these Chakravati Samrat have these qualities. They have a very nice horse, an elephant, okay, and here this one, I'm not able to understand what is that. This one is a, what do you call, minister. That is a queen. You got it, queen. Okay, this is the army general, Senapati. This is a chakra. Okay, so these are the 7 emblems. 7 emblems. Okay, these are also, we consider it as a auspicious signs also. Okay, so these are the clouds and victory banners. Banners, you know the banners. These are the banners. Okay, these are the things. Now if you look at, you know, all this mandala, center of the mandala come out of the Padma. This is a Padma, lotus, petal of the lotus. You know, have you got it? Sorry, if you don't mind. They tell us the session lane. Hello. So this is the Padma. So what is the meaning of the Padma? Padma actually it grows from the mud. Isn't that? But there is no single error of the mud in the Padma. Isn't that? So like, you know, if we are born in samsara, if we study the 4 noble truths, if we do practice the 4 noble truths and the paths of Buddha, you know, then even you are born in samsara, mud of samsara, but you will be able to come out of the samsara, like a Padma come from the mud, but it does not have a error of the mud. Isn't that? So similarly, you know, if you do the practices, then you would be able to come out of the samsara. So if you are able to come out of the samsara, then you can meet all these Buddhas and all these mandalas. Does this make sense? Okay. Now here, this is the Vajra Mala. Vajra Mala. This is the Vajra Mala. Can you see this yellow one? Mala Gutilva. Oh, this Vajra rings are here. Okay. And outside of that, this is the flame. So flame means wisdom. How do we achieve the enlightenment? We have to practice both wisdom and compassion, good heart. Sometimes people, they have a very good heart, isn't that? But they don't have an intelligence, isn't that? So they want to help somebody else. Instead of helping them, they are causing problem to them. So it is not because they have lack of good heart. They have very good heart, but they don't have a wisdom to help others, isn't that? So we need a wisdom. But only wisdom is also not useful. Some people, they are highly educated, very intelligent, very wisdom, but they are big troublemaker in the society, isn't that? They don't have a compassion. They are lack of compassion. They are lack of good heart. So Vajra Mala represents the good heart, compassion and all these things. You have to practice compassion, love, forgiveness. Okay. So these are not enough. Compassion, love, forgiveness is not enough. You have to combine this practice with the wisdom, intelligence. Okay. So the